Well, here we are in beautiful Corfu in Greece. Another sale example that you look at. The boats, they're selling trips to the caverns. You can take a look. So what step are they using in their sales process to get people on these boats? Well, it's the emotional trigger. What is that? Seeing something you never seen before might be interesting, might not be interested, but the emotional trigger. Seeing something you haven't seen before. These trips normally cost $30. We're doing euros. You see the background is beautiful. The water is out here is very pristine. But you see a ton of tourists out here. It's like a tourist spot. And they're selling a bunch of things. Sales is everywhere, people. So you have to acknowledge that even on vacation, sales are for people that don't know, never seen anything, will pay any amount of money to see something they haven't seen before. That is the important thing about sales. One key point. Have they done it before? That's your sales tip for the day.